Sangkay dyan na, especially Teacher May Tiburcio. But recently, when is the time I've been start of best friends with Jens Manaid and Stefan Pimentel? Ah, yes. Oh, yes. Here. Here. Okay. Okay, how did I start best friends with Jens Manaid and Stefan Pimentel? Usually, I started best friend with Stefan Pimentel way back 2015, I guess. I've been friends with Stefan. But the time, I remember Stefan Pimentel and Jens Manaid. I have no connection with friends with Bill Galang, especially who else? Louis Texon. No, they are not actually my friends there. Bill and I were not close. But Stefan Pimentel and I, we're close friends. Especially Jens Manaid. As usual, I remember I was told by, I remember I heard from Luis Cabales that Jens Manaid was his classmate at the time. Of course, I know Jens. For almost decades, I've been start a friendship with Jens. When is the time I started? 2015, 2016, 2017, and 2018, and 2019. For almost 5 years. For almost 5 years. It is always 6 years or 10 years. I've been friends with Jens. And Happy New Year to Jens Manaid and Stefan Pimentel. And even the family members of Stefan Pimentel and Jens Manaid's family member, Happy New Year. What a pleasure New Year celebration I ever had. As might as I mean, at might as uh, good taking care of my new friends. But Happy New Year to everyone, especially to Luis Cabales, especially to Wawel Romero. Happy New Year, even Wawel Romero's family members. Happy New Year, even Luis Cabales' family members. Happy New Year to everyone. Especially to Lawrence Villawan, Happy New Year, and Tita Geraldine, Happy New Year, your mother and your sister anyway, Kyla. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everyone. And it's coming 2026 is the end of 2025. In my YouTube blog, it's a Happy New Year. It's a pleasure. I could say it's really a Happy New Year for everyone. And stay healthy and Happy New Year. I hope it's end of 2025. It's the beginning of 2026. You know, in 2025, I am no longer to be a bully in social media, in Facebook. That's a good to hear. I'm no longer to be a bully. I always to be good. You know, when I make enemies the time. So this is my New Year resolution to Sangkay Jan, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sedjo, Jeffrey Asedjo, Jima Casandil, and Kuya Copio, especially Teacher May Tiburcio, and the others who were Marcos loyalists. My New Year resolution to all of you, stop being yourself a bully.